morning. I'm excited to have a little fun project for you to do at home with an old t-shirt. We're gonna make masks that we can wear with our friends or give away as gifts. And each shirt at the bottom, you can make 2 masks. So we're gonna do that first. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we'll need a ruler. We're gonna need a marker and a pen. We're gonna need a pair of scissors. And we're gonna need some filters. And that's it. And it's a no-sew mask. So the first measurement I want you to make is a 6-inch measurement from the bottom of the shirt to the top of the 6-inch mark. 1 mark right there. And it doesn't have to be in pencil. I mean, it can be in black magic marker because you're gonna cut over it. So there's 1 mark. Then we're gonna go down the shirt again and make another mark, and down the shirt again on this side and make another mark, and to the end of the shirt and make a mark there, and the end of this shirt here and make a mark here. Okay. T-shirt material is extremely movable, so this will probably be the hardest part that you do. So somewhere on these marks, you're going to try to find a mark where all of the dots, you can pull and rearrange them, and then just go ahead and give yourself a couple of dots in between so that you have an easy to cut mark. So the mask needs to be 6 inches tall, and in the end, it will be 9 inches wide. So knowing that the shirt is 18, just about in the middle, was 9. So I'm going to put 2 dots. So between these 2 dots, that dot's the middle dot, will be the center of our mask. So we're going to cut. Even though it seems uneven, it isn't really. All the way across the mask, and just note that somewhere in there is your 9-inch mark. So I'm going to make it easy for us so that we can just cut this and leave this in place. So the next mark we're going to make, I just want you to see, I'm going to cut it all the way across, but I wanted you to leave it in place. Okay, so the next mark is also a 9-inch width from the center. So that would be 4.5 inches on either side. So a mark here and a mark here. So the end, 4.5, 4.5 to 9. So the mask needs to be 6 by 9. And we're gonna do that. I'm gonna measure this to see how far it is. It's 4.5. So I'm gonna put another 4.5 mark on the other side. You'll see there's stitching on your mask. That's going to be across the nose. So on this side, I'm going to go again for 4.5 to here. So I'm setting up my lines that I'll be able to cut down from here. And I'm going to start up there and cut down to here. So here we go. These are the cuts. So the next cutting is going to be to make a strap here and to leave this as a strap. So along this edge, I'm going to cut here, and then I'm going to cut here, and then I'm going to leave about the same amount of space because these are going to be my ties, and I'm going to cut there. And make sure that this little piece of triangle comes out. Then I'm going to come down here and cut this edge and cut this edge. I'm going to go over and do the same thing on this side. So just around that part right there to there, and up these dots to the top of that dot and over to that dot. Okay, then I'm gonna remove I'm gonna pick up this corner, this edge, and cut it, and pick up this edge and cut it. Now, these masks are only 1 one width, one thickness of fabric. That is the top of your mask. So with these side panels, what I have done, like these over here that are already made and I've already used, I have 2 extra interior panels, which will be here with a filter there. And I just place it, I adjust it to my own ears and I place it on and over my ears. And then I slightly tuck in the sides just to fit me. And there's my mask, no sew mask. To clean this mask, I'll give you in the next video.